Hi guys, welcome to Authentic Drummer. Thanks for watching. This is a bit of a part two almost, or a continuation of a lesson to do with rudiments. Three basic rudiments, which we discussed in the first lesson. We looked at stick grip and then applying the rudiments on the drums. This time onto the pad. This time we're going to put the rudiments on the snare drum here, and we're going to start to add some foot patterns. And these are very basic coordination exercises. We're going to start with the single stroke, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then when we put the bass drum in there, we're going to find the bass drum is going to be on the right hand. So this is quite easy to start with, okay? Sounds like this. Okie dokie. Now, we're going to do that starting on the left hand, and this is where usually when the student goes, oh, that's pretty cool, suddenly they start to have a little bit more of issues with this one, because now the left hand is playing with the right foot. Sounds a bit like this. Very simple in theory. Getting over that kind of weird, awkward feeling that you get when you play your left hand with your right foot takes a little bit to get used to. All right, and obviously you can speed them up and slow them down, etc., if you need to. All right, let's do the double stroke now. Okay, we're going to do right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. All right, so right, right with the bass drum, left, left with the bass drum, except the bass drum is only playing the one note at the start. Okay, sounds like this. Other way around, starting on the left hand. 3, 4. Okay, so that presents itself a little challenge as well, but if you can do that with the right hand, the right-handed version, your left hand is leading at some stage anyway, but that's the whole idea. You give it a chance to sort of be in charge. Paradiddle. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Bass drum on the start of each of those groups of two there. All right, so it sounds like this. You have no choice but to lead with the left hand at some stage in that paradiddle, all right? But even starting with the paradiddles on the left hand is a great idea as well. So let's start with the left hand. At this stage, you can move it around the drums just for something different, but trying to keep your foot always in charge. I'm just going to play a paradiddle quickly, moving it around the drums, but you'll notice that the bass drum never changes and it just keeps the time. Okay, here we go. 3, 4. A little faster. Okay, taking it just a little step further, I'm going to do the single stroke, the double stroke and the paradiddle, but this time we're going to use 16th notes instead of 8th notes. That means that now we have a bass drum every 4 notes instead of 2. So single strokes sound like this. Double strokes. Paradiddle. All right, I'm gonna move around the drums now, and I'm gonna use some singles, some doubles, some paradiddles. I'm just gonna make it up as I go. Okay. Okay, this is a great way to start. You know, it's a great way to start in many different things, many different ways. If someone comes up to you and says, teach me something on the drums, this is a good way to get them going, all right? It's suddenly they realize like, ooh, that's not quite as easy as what I thought it was, as soon as you have to do the left hand thing. Take that, use it as a warm-up, do it as fast as you can, slow as you can, change your foot pattern. You can do multiple foot patterns, double pedals, all sorts of stuff you can do with that. Those rudiments are a great foundation. Okay, see you soon.